At Prime Wellness, we're a full-service med spa. We specialize in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy for men and women. As we get older, our bodies tend to diminish in our production of hormones. That causes us to feel things like fatigue, weight gain, women get hot flashes. You just don't feel a sense of wellness anymore. When you have these issues with hormones and we replace the hormones, we can resolve a lot of those problems. Once we get the lab work, we develop a treatment plan, and then we go ahead and either replace the hormones, usually with testosterone pellets, usually with these hormone pellets, which are estrogen and testosterone pellets, through BioTE.
So the pellet just gets inserted into the buttocks area, into the fatty tissue subcutaneously. For men, you would come in maybe 2 to 3 times a year, and for women, 3 to 4 times a year. And they just slowly dissolve as you move around more. So the more you move around, the quicker that those hormones actually get utilized by the body.
Here are some of the things that can be fixed with hormone replacement therapy. Fatigue, lack of energy. A big thing is difficulty sleeping at nighttime. That's something we fix all the time. Reduce mental focus and memory. Of course, hot flashes, night sweats, difficulty losing weight, decreased muscle strength and muscle mass, joint pain, and obviously reduce sexual performance and sexual desire. We added these other ancillary procedures like Morpheus 8, which is that radiofrequency microneedling device that everyone's talking about. We have a Fraxel laser that can help to get rid of sunspots and pigment and fine lines and wrinkles and resurface the skin. We have IPL to do photofacials. We have a hydrofacial machine to help to make your skin look glowing. And we also have weight loss systems here to help patients lose weight.
Oh my God, this is like Disneyland for adults.
It is.
Yeah.
I love my
fantastic.
toys.
Yes.
This is where we use our hyperbaric oxygen chamber.
Oh, the Big Daddy is in here. Wow.
This machine is a pressurized machine. It pumps pure oxygen.
Can I get in here?
You certainly can.
Oh my God, I've always wanted to try one of these. I've heard so many good things about these.
Fantastic.
Yeah, this is our hydrofacial machine. It is a little slice of heaven to have a treatment. It's very relaxing. There's no pain involved. It will exfoliate your skin. It does extractions and it moisturizes. So red light therapy would be for fine lines and wrinkles, and blue light therapy would be for acne.
Ooh, I need red light.
You ready?
Yeah, can I have some red light? Oh wow, it's really bright. I love it though. Is there anything you don't do here?
That's the thing. We try to do everything.
He does.
Well, I've been seeing Dr. Sherman for about a year, and he's great. My life has improved since I've been coming here. I would say he's very cautious, very measured, listens, responded to my needs. I actually came in because I was having a skin problem, and my skin is better than it's ever been. My sleep is better than it's ever been. My energy is higher. I feel great since I've been coming to Dr. Sherman.
Summer